Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein instant oats dosa recipe along with a special cucumber chutney, ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already soaked overnight half cup of black chana, also known as kala chana, or in Malayalam we call this as kadala. Now if you're planning to make this for breakfast, you can soak it overnight. If you're planning to make this for dinner, you can soak it in the morning. Allow at least 7 to 8 hours of soaking, as soaking will help to release the phytic acid content in the dal and also will help in better nutrient absorption. Into another bowl, I am adding in half cup rolled oats. I am adding in some water and I am allowing the rolled oats to soak for about 5 to 7 minutes or until I get the other ingredients ready. It's about 5 minutes now and the oats are nicely soaked, and I'm going to rinse the oats a couple of times and then add it onto a strainer. I'm also rinsing the soaked black chana a couple of times and then add it into my blender jar. Add the soaked and rinsed black chana dal into the blender jar. Add the soaked oats, 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped, 2 green chilli or as needed, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, half inch ginger roughly chopped, a small handful of coriander leaves. I am tearing the leaves and adding in a sprig of fresh curry leaves, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in 1 cup of water. And I'm going to blend this into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the blended dosa batter into a bowl. Allow the dosa batter to rest for about 5 minutes or until I get the chutney ready. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in half of a cucumber roughly chopped, half cup grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, a small piece of ginger, a small handful of coriander leaves. I am tearing the leaves and adding in 1 green chilli or as needed, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, a couple of tablespoons water, and I am going to grind this to a fine chutney. Pour the blended cucumber chutney into a serving bowl. For tadka, I am heating my cast iron tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts to crackle, I am adding in 2 sliced shallots, some whole red chilies, sprig of fresh curry leaves. Give it a stir. Allow the shallots to turn light golden brown in color. Pour the tadka over the chutney. And my super healthy cucumber chutney is ready to serve. Dosa batter has been resting for about 5 minutes now, and it is of the perfect consistency. It is neither thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency. Now the best thing about this dosa batter is that you can always make ahead this, store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay good for up to 3 days. This way it's an ideal way to meal prep. Now let's start making the high protein dosa. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. And once the tawa is greased, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 ladleful of the high protein dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible into a round dosa. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil, cover and allow the dosa to get cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid and carefully remove the dosa from the tawa. And transfer the dosa onto a serving plate. I am serving the dosa with cucumber chutney and wild lemon pickle. And my super healthy instant oats dosa with the cucumber chutney is ready to serve. So guys, do try this high protein oats dosa and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.